Hello everyone. Now let's work on the next part of our website. Let's collapse these codes here by clicking this icon. And after the closing div tag, let's add another one with an ID of contact. So for this part, we will add the contact information of IT Toolbox. So let's add an HR tag. So again, HR tag is horizontal rule. So linya to, parang nag-a-add lang ng separation sa mga divs natin. So below the HR tag, you add a section tag with an ID of contact-info. Tapos sa loob ng tag na to, you add an H2 tag with the text of contact us -IT toolbox. So when we save and preview, ito na yung text natin. So below this H2 tag, let us embed a Google map in our page. So in your browser, you go search for Google Map. You click on this link, and then you type in the address of Lower Bikutan, Taguig. So I'll click here. Once it's ready, you click on this share button. Tapos you go on to the Embed a Map tab and you copy the HTML code. So once copied, you go to your page and paste it below the H2 tag and just remove the width and height property. So when you save and preview our page, now we have a Google Map embedded in our web page. So, di ba madali lang? So just make sure na you locate first the address, tapos you click on the share button and embed the code. And then paste it in your HTML document. So since this is Google Map, it needs internet connection for this map to load. So below the iframe tag, you add a UL tag with an LI tag inside it. So ito yung mga para sa contact information ng IT Toolbox. So for the LI tag, let's add a class equal to Facebook. So what's the difference between class and ID? So si ID, magagamit mo lang yung name niya once sa buong HTML document mo. Pero si class, pwede mong i-assign to sa 2 or more HTML tags sa document. So inside the LI tag, you add an anchor tag. Make sure naka-indent yung mga tags nyo. And then inside the anchor tag, you add an href of www.facebook.com and then a text of www.facebook.com. So, when we save and refresh, highlight lang natin kasi nga naka-anchor tag siya. So, pag-click nyo sa link na yon, pupunta kayo dapat sa facebook.com. Oops. So, let's add https:// So, ulitin natin. Click on the link. Dapat pupunta siya directly sa facebook.com. So, ito dapat i-address ng IT Toolbox pero later na lang, palitan natin. For now, ito muna yung value ng href. So after that, let's copy these lines of codes here sa li and then paste it 3 times. So when we save and preview, may 4 tayong links. So let's just change the values for each list. So for the class of the second li tag, change it to Insta, and then href into instagram.com, and same with the value. For the third list tag, you change the href into youtube.com and its value. Don't forget to change the class on the li tag into YouTube, and then for the last li tag, change the class into mail, and then href equal to mail2, then ittoolbox2020@gmail.com. And same with the value. So itong mail2 ay ginagamit siya pag once na-click yung link, directly ma-open yung mail app ng computer or cellphones ng website visitors nyo. So again, for the anchor tag ng facebook.com, Instagram, and YouTube, make sure na tama yung href value para pag-click nung visitor ng website nyo sa link, ay mare-redirect sila sa websites na to. Now when we save and preview, now we have 4 different contact information. So again, dapat yung information na to is specific sa IT Toolbox na Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. But for now, ito muna yung value na ilagay natin. Now, let's add a class for our UL tag here and name it details. So dito sa style.css natin, let's work on the styling of this specific section. So you type hash contact, open and close curly brace, and a color of gray. Then a padding of 20 pixels. Again, this is for all sides. And a margin of 20 pixels as well. So technically this style here is the same with the about div. So now let's add a styling for our contact info section. So you go to style.css and type hash contact-info, open and close curly brace, with a background color of hash F5, F5, F5. And then a margin top of 20%. And then a padding of 5% for all the sides. Now let's add styling for our Facebook li tag. So again, hash, you will use hash for IDs, but for classes, you use period. So that or period Facebook space A. So this is applied to the anchor tag inside the Facebook li tag. So properties are a background image of URL, then single quote, /img, slash fblogo.png. So this is another way of adding a background image. So you use the URL, and then this dot slash means kasi we're working on style.css, diba? Which is under the CSS folder. So you use dot slash para makalabas siya at hanapin niya yung img folder, and then inside the img folder is hahanap niya si fblogo.png. Kaya necessary tong si dot slash. So let's copy this codes here and paste it 4 times. And then just change the class into Insta. Then let's check Insta, YouTube, and Mail. So here we change it into Insta. This one YouTube, and this one Mail. So ito, erase natin to. So for the Insta, let's change the logo into Insta logo. This one, YT logo. And for the Mail, change this into email pic. So when we save and preview, ganito pa yung itsura nila. Naka-background siya mismo dun sa anchor tag. So let's add more styling. So that details, this is applied to the UL tag, space LI, space A. Properties are display colon inline block with a background dash repeat, value of no repeat, and a background space background dash size is equal to 20 pixels, and mean height of 20 pixels as well, and a padding left of 30 pixels. So check yung preview. And then a margin of 0, 0, 20 pixels. So this means 0 for the top, 0 for the left and right, and 0 for the bottom, with the color of dim gray. So when we save and preview, so ganito na yung itsura ng icons natin. So tingnan nyo, pag tinanggal ko tong property na to, ganito yung magiging itsura niya. So kailangan na may no repeat tayo. So I think we're done. So when we try to click on this icon or the text, maglo-load siya dun sa, say, YouTube or Instagram or Facebook. This is how our contact us page looks like. If you have questions and clarifications, please comment it down below. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.